Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a spirit animal pick a card reading. So all you need to do to receive this reading is choose from either of these spirit animals, or you can listen to one or more messages if you feel called to it. So the first spirit animal is the spirit animal of lynx, number 2 is the spirit animal of otter, and number 3 is the spirit animal of fox. So after you have made your choice, I am going to begin your reading now. So for people who have chosen the number 1 or the spirit animal of lynx, I just feel like a lot of mystery is going to be surrounding you very soon. I feel that the universe is going to bless you with a lot of new adventures. I also feel that you're going to take your stand for some things in a very strong manner. Like I just feel like you need to be more courageous, you need to be more out there socializing instead of hiding yourself. I feel that you need to shine in your true light. Like you need to empower yourself, you need to ground yourself, you need to be sure of what you truly want. And I feel that as soon as you own up your power, the universe is going to send a lot of blessings your way. So I hope that you could relate to this message. Now I'll be moving on to number 2, or the spirit animal of otter. So over here I'm feeling that you really need to take some time off to recharge yourself. Like I feel that you need to be more playful, you need to spend more time around water, you need to just be happy or be around people, around things that uplift you. It's possible that you have been very drained, and the spirit animal of otter is all about having fun. It's all about not taking life seriously. It's all about just disconnecting from heavy things, heavy emotions, from difficulties. And I just feel that you need to disappear, or you need to just be with yourself. Like you need to recharge your energy, you need to ground yourself in a way that you feel very calm before taking any major decisions. So I hope that you could relate to this message today. Now I'll be moving on to number 3, or the spirit animal of fox. So the spirit animal of fox is all about standing still and taking your time, going ahead with wisdom. I also see for some people that maybe it's time to learn something new, or there's a spirit guide coming your way. There's a master, there's like a guide that is going to be helping you, a mentor. This could be somebody who's older than you, or this could be like a teacher, somebody who's just guiding you towards the right path. And I feel that for people who have chosen the number 3, if you are into meditation, then you should really practice that. Like you will get a lot of messages when you are practicing meditation, when you are around spiritual things, or when you are just surrounded by wisdom. You know, you can even read novels, you can read scriptures, you can read books that educate you, but overall like a very calming and very collective energy. Like I feel that people who have chosen this number, you have already worked a lot on yourself, and you just need to take the next step now.